So I hope we are clear till the second exercise, working with the floating patterns. And after that, the third one is about the pattern count. So as I told you that we can basically apply more than one pattern to single data region. So let's see how it goes. So here you can see that I have a text file in which I have data in two lines. In first line, I have this code number, and then I have the name. In the second line, I have another name, then I have price. Basically, this is the dues amount, and then I have date, and then the status of that particular person. So let's go ahead and make a model to extract this information. So let me just open a report model. I'm going to exercise 3 and use this multiple lines text file. Click OK. So here I'm going to create a new data region, and now you see that I can use this status values, these status values as my pattern. So I have pending, applied, and approved, 3 keywords. So I can use these keywords to basically extract the second line. Okay. So first of all, I'll just use pending as the pattern, as my first pattern, and you see that these 2 lines have been highlighted. Also, I need data region to cover 2 lines, so I am going to increase the line count here. Okay. And the second thing I'm going to do is apply pattern to line 1. So as you can see that the keyword is in the second line. So right now, apply pattern to line is set to 0, which is the first index. But if I want to apply it to the second line, then I have to set it to index 1. Okay. Then as you can see that there is one more record with the keyword pending, but it's not on that particular position. So what I can do, I can make it a floating pattern, so that I can cover that record as well. Then we still have 2 values remaining. So for that, I'm going to increase the pattern count from here. Okay. So let's write the second pattern. And also, if you notice that when I clicked on this pattern, the apply pattern to lines has set to 0, and floating pattern has been unchecked. So it means that for each pattern, I can select these options individually. Okay. So now I'm going to write applied, or I can simply cover both of these by just writing APP. And here as well, I need to apply pattern to line 1. Okay. So now my data region has been covered. Now all I need to do is just create fields to extract data. So let's say I want to extract this code and name in one column. So I can add a data field here. Let's name it code. Yeah. Or we can say ID underscore name. So it contains ID as well as the name. Then for the second field, we can say it's name 2. Also, I can increase the field length from here. Then the third column is going to be the dues. For the fourth one, I'm going to use, first of all, I'll have to set the length of it. Okay, and let's call it date. And the final one is the status. Okay. So let's preview data. So here we have all the data that we required. That's all about the pattern count. In the next video, we will learn how to work with regular expressions in Astera ReportMiner.